Hello everyone, this is Prabhasri, Assistant Professor of Mathematics Department, SNS College of Technology. So in this video we are going to see some examples in a logic and prose. Let's see. So in this video we are going to prove that the given expression P conditional Q by conditional negation P consistent Q is a tautology. So now we are going to show that this is a tautology. Now we are going to first how many elements we have to fill. We have to know that how many elements have to fill. So the given statement are P and Q. So there are two statements they have given. So the formula for the statement is 2 power n, which is equal to 2 power 2, which is equal to 4. So we are now going to fill up 4 elements for P and then Q. So for P we are write as true, true, and then false, false. Then for Q we will write as true, false, and then true, false. So now we are going to find the value for P implies Q. So we know that P implies Q is nothing but if true implies true, then the answer is true. If true implies false, a true statement leads to a false statement, then our answer is false. As false statements implies true, then our statement is true. Then the last one is false statement leads to a false statement. Yes, it's a true. So it's a true. So now we are going to find the value for the next bracket. So first there is a negation P. So we are going to find the value for negation P. Negation P is nothing but opposite of P. So true, true, false, false will be implies as a false, false, and then true, true. Now we are going to find a value negation P or Q. So negation P or Q, we are going to find true or false. So if or will comes means whenever or will comes, if we have a statement within a true means we have to write as true only. So true, false, false implies false, and then true, true or true, false, true, so true. Now we are going to find the final value. So P implies Q by conditional and then negation P or Q. So we are going to now find out the value for P implies Q, negation P or Q. We are going to find biconditional for these two terms. So biconditional means if true, true means it will comes true, false, false will comes true. Biconditional is nothing but we are saying if and only if condition. If here is a true statement, if and only if it's also true. Here it is false statement, if and only if it's also a false statement. So which is implies true. Okay, so true, true which implies a true statement, then false, false we are using a biconditional, so true it becomes true. So true, 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 and then true, true, true. So we are getting a final statement like true, 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 all are true. So we are getting all values are true. So this is called tautology. If we get all the values as a false statement means, so false, 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 then which is called as once again, if we get a false statement like this means then which is called as a contradiction, which is called as a contradiction. Okay, if we get a value like a true, false, true, true means, or false, true, true, true means, Then if we get a value like this means it is called contingency. Okay, whether if they are asking us tautology means we have to prove that the statement answer will be concluded in true. If they are asking a contradiction means our statement will be concluded into all the values as a false. Okay, if the statement they are asking contingency means our statement will be like this, false, true, 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 or all the things are false, then it will be true. Okay, then it means a contingency. Thank you.